So I'm heading to our receiving warehouse to grab some light fixtures for this install because they won't arrive with a delivery until a couple of hours after the electrician arrives. So I just want to make sure that it gets installed before the white glove guys come to deliver the furniture. So this is exciting. I haven't been to our warehouse in a while. I just go there to product check some things, see it in person. But other than that, they take care of me really well. I think what a lot of people don't realize is how much goes into the background of designing. There's a project management aspect that goes towards product checking, ordering, following up with all trades, coordinating appointment. There's really something to be said about those who work in the industry. When they say you have to have thick skin, they are not lying. Thick skin to be an entrepreneur, thick skin to be somebody that exposes themselves, to people to critique their work. But the end result is so satisfying. Good morning. It is an early morning. It's kind of a gloomy day, which just means you get good lighting. But I am here in the mountains far, far away, and we're getting ready to wrap up the Sierra Pelona Project. I got so much stuff in the back to stage because at the same time I'm installing, I'm actually going to capture some content and some final photos of the space so that I can share with you. So that's exciting. It's gonna be a long day, but it's always exciting to kind of finish everything and let the homeowners continue on with their lives in their new space. It's a beautiful project. We've been working on it for a while, and so now we're finally decorating it and finally making it look like a home, which is super exciting. I really can't wait to share the final reveal with you guys. But for now, let's just get into this behind the scenes. I don't think people really understand how detailed it is to get videos and take professional photos. It's all very, very time consuming and detail oriented. It's fun because when you see the results, it's like, wow, I can't believe that's, a work of art that I do. I like to take professional video content just to kind of give you a glimpse of what, my thoughts are when working with clients, how we execute, and it gives like that crisp kind of like view into the design that really can't be translated through an image. And I like to use that on my YouTube and my Instagram channel. So always just keep an eye out for when that drops. I know that IG and TikTok is like more of like real time and more raw footage, but just the old marketing girl in me really likes to give you that polished, luxe kind of feel. It used to be my favorite things to work on when I was in marketing and communications. So be on the lookout for that. I work with my videographer, Hillary, who, when you really find people that you work well with, you really have to stick with them. So Hillary Dunlap is one of those people. She's great at what she does. It's just a lot of fun to always work on those projects outside of design. My work lately has just been a labor of love because I'm dedicated to that. And, it's my first time really honestly feeling like I'm diving into an industry and diving into my art. And I think that, as long as you're watching, you'll be able to see that growth organically. You'll be able to see how far I'm gonna take this. And so I would love if you stay tuned. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate the support. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please do 28th Design. I am sharing a lot of BTS, like it's very aesthetic. I'm trying to get my TikTok game together because I know a lot of us are on there now. So I will definitely be putting out content on TikTok as well. Make sure to keep watching. Can't wait to share more. Talk to you soon.